So I'm just gonna do a quick video of how to clean it, like alcantara or suede steering wheel. There's quite a bit of videos on YouTube. They're long and nobody really knows how to do it. I don't know either, but I just figured out a quick solution. As you can see, like the steering wheel have a Sparco 330, I believe, and it's gross because all the oils and dirt from your hands go straight on the wheel if you're not using gloves. And I did this other side. As you can see, it does not feel like new, but very close. And just by the looks, you can tell it's much better. I did only one side, so I'm gonna show you how I do the other side. There are videos that people just do it with cloth and water. Some use alcantara cleaning, or carpet cleaners, or fabric cleaners. You really have to understand that this is not just dirt, it's the oils and like fat from your sweat and everything, and you have to approach it that way. So I believe it could be best if you use like dishwasher liquid, because that's really what dissolves oils, but it might be too much. So I just decided to use whatever I had, a dog shampoo. You could probably use regular shampoo or soap, but I guess regular shampoo often includes conditioner, which is also oily. So what I'm doing is just add a little bit of the shampoo and use your finger to rub it in. You'll see it will foam much better than if you were using a cloth and absorbing all that shampoo in the cloth. And just let it soak in. More on the other side. I probably put too much on here. I really don't care that much of the steering wheel, but remember, you have to get all the shampoo out, so the less you put, maybe it's better. Once you've done soaking it with shampoo, just take a damp cloth with water and use a lot of water and just brush it. As you can see, it foams up instantly. It doesn't take a lot to actually see the surface come back to life, but use a lot of water because you want to get out that shampoo or soap or dishwasher or whatever you're using. So after dumping water and cleaning with towel, oh come on, focus. Focus. Alright, let's do this. So as you can see, it looks a lot better. A lot. It's still a little bit wet, so I'll let it sit in the sun, dry out, and then to the last step. The last step is more of a final touch. Just use a toothbrush and brush it up. I'm actually doing well. The wheel is still a little bit wet. You get the idea. After I compared the feel to a brand new alcantara wheel, this does feel a little bit harder. So what you can do is just spend more time brushing, or you can use the actual brush you can buy for alcantara wheels, or just toothbrush. And this is what it makes soft. Looks much better and feels much better. In total, I think it took me like 20 minutes, including just this video. And I saw some guy doing with a steel brush, and he said he spent like 6 hours brushing it, and it still didn't look nearly as good as this, I think. And the problem is it contains oils and sweat and everything, and you can't get that out with steel brush. You really need something to dissolve. So use a dishwasher or shampoo without conditioner, and you should be good to go. Another person was doing just water and towel, and obviously water does nothing to dissolve oils, and that is your primary target. So hope this helps someone. Maybe I should have used a little bit more of the shampoo in some places, but I'll do it again maybe in a month or two. Also remember that all the cloth cleaners, alcantara cleaners, or fabric cleaners, they're all made to dissolve stains and not oils. So they contain a lot of chemicals to dissolve stains, and it might hurt the wheel, the glue that holds it together or whatever. So that's why I didn't use dishwasher liquid, because I think it might hurt something, because it dissolves everything. And I picked dog shampoo because it's probably just to dissolve oils and dirt. It works fantastic. That's it. Hope this helps anyone. Bye.